In my opinion, gym classes are a fantastic place to start. I started off in gym classes and I'm so glad I did. Here is why. Number one, learning new exercises. So when I was a new starter, I knew that there was things called squats. I knew that there was these things called push-ups, and that was pretty much it, to be honest. When I first started classes, when you're doing a half an hour class, a 45-minute class, it's going to be full of a lot more than squats and push-ups. You're going to learn a vast array of different exercises. I discovered, I think it was about my first 20 different types of exercises in classes, and I discovered how to work different muscle groups in different ways and how to work the same muscle group in different ways. It's a great place to start to build your knowledge. Number two, you learn the correct form. So as a new starter, you don't really know how to do exercises properly. You kind of, in a way, throw your body around, hope to feel something, hope it's doing something. That can be really dangerous because I remember when I first started doing push-ups, I was doing them with my elbows out and I had an injury here on my shoulder. It was then afterwards that I learned that actually you need to have your elbows down a bit to protect your shoulders. It's little things like that that you need to understand to make sure that you can stick to your workout program, to make sure that you're not injuring yourself, because as soon as you injure yourself, you're going to be taken out for months. Don't do that to yourself. Learn, and you can really do that in gym classes. Number three. Oh, I've lost my list. Number three, you will discover which exercises you enjoy and which exercises you don't. There is always going to be your favorites and there's always going to be those exercises that you don't like. It's the same as running. Some people love running, some people absolutely hate it. With that knowledge on what you like and what you don't like, you can use that to build your own exercise program. And because you're going to build it with something that you enjoy and something that you like, you're more likely to stick to it. Number four is meeting like-minded people. Now, if you're the kind of person who you just don't want to speak to anyone, that's fine. You don't have to speak to people in gym classes. But if you are the person that would like to make new friends, meet new people, that's fine. You know, the gym community is really friendly. Gym classes will give you the opportunity to meet like-minded people. You never know, those people might be recruiting people for a fun run and you can get involved in that, you know. It's a really nice place, and it will help with things like mental health as well, you know, because you're getting that social interaction and you're feeling part of a community. It's great. In addition to that, accountability. This was one that was really, really important for me because I'm the kind of person, I cannot get out of bed unless I actually have an appointment that is booked. If I was just left up to my own will to get up and go to the gym, it wouldn't happen. But in the morning, I knew, oh great, 9:15, I have a gym class to go to, I have to get up because it's already booked. It keeps you accountable, it keeps you on a consistent schedule, on a routine, and it's less easy to back out of a booked class than it is just to think, oh yeah, I'll go in the afternoon sometime, you know. Gym classes are great for accountability. It helps you get that routine in order fast. If you'd like to share any information on how gym classes have helped you, drop a comment below. We're all interested. We all want to hear your stories. So let us know, comment in the comment section, and please subscribe as well because it will help this channel grow and help build our community. See you soon.